Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope that you have revised everything learned in previous lesson. You can always click the link and watch that lesson again. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's learn some more body parts. Alright, now let's begin. Let's learn to say finger in Urdu. So in English we say finger and in Urdu it is ungli. Ungli. Finger. Ungli. Then in English we say thumb and in Urdu it is angutha. 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 Let's repeat one more time. In English we say finger and in Urdu it is ungli. Ungli. Then in English we say thumb and in Urdu it is angutha. 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 Repeat many times for better practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say arm in Urdu. So in English we say arm and in Urdu it is bazu. Bazu. Arm. Bazu. Then in English we say leg and in Urdu it is tang. Tang. Leg. Tang. So let's repeat one more time. In English we say arm and in Urdu it is bazu. Then in English we say leg and in Urdu it is tang. So revise a lot for better practice, okay? So now let's ask and tell. We ask and say, what is this? Now whatever the things you are asking about, right? So you say, what is this? So here in the picture we see thumb, right? So the question about this picture is, what is this? And in Urdu it is, ye kya hai? And the answer to the question is, this is a thumb, because you can see the thumb in the picture. And in Urdu it is, ये अंगूठा है. ये अंगूठा है. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a thumb. ये अंगूठा है. Now you ask the question about anything. You can ask about anything and you are going to say ये क्या है if the thing is near. If it's far away, you are going to say वो क्या है? What is that? And whatever the thing is going to be, you are going to say this is a dash or this is dash. And in the dash, you are going to fill with the name of the thing. And in Urdu, it's going to be ये dash है or वो dash है. And in the dash, you are going to fill with the name of the thing that you are answering about. Alright? So practice a lot. Look around you, ask questions from yourself. Say ये क्या है? And then answer ye dash hai, and in the dash say the name of the thing. And if you do not know the name of the thing in Urdu, you can always say that in English. And later on you can learn what that thing is called in Urdu. Alright, practice a lot. Okay, so now counting. You have already learned counting from 1 to 22. 1 से 22. Now let's learn to say 23 in Urdu. So in English we say 23 and in Urdu it is 23. 23. 23. 23. 23. Count from 1 to 23 many times for practice, okay? So 23 is 23. Alright, so here this is the end of our lesson. I'll see you with next lesson inshallah. Watch the lesson and revise a lot. See you. अल्लाह हाफिज़।